This video highlights technology integrations between Arxan and IBM's existing security portfolio of AppScan Source for Analysis and Worklight. Let's explore these integrations further. If you build and deploy applications, you probably follow common secure development and pen testing practices. While these are excellent measures, the little-known irony is that an application hacker does not need to prey upon security flaws in your application in order to exploit it. Hackers can get access to the binary and can quickly and easily reverse engineer it back to the original source code, and this gives them a clear blueprint of all the security controls, business logic, proprietary algorithms, and more, leaving the door wide open to tampering. So to fully protect your code, you must harden the application. Applications are being compromised in a number of ways. First, copying or piracy is a major issue. Arxan research on the state of security in the app economy recently found that the adversaries have hacked 78% of the top 100 paid Android and iOS apps in 2013. Second, apps are being altered or tampered with via malicious software or malware. Let's step through an example hack that occurs when the attacker reverse engineers binary code. First, an attacker will be interested in understanding the underlying code. In this unprotected iPhone app, the adversary will use a freely available tool, Hopper, to reverse engineer and recreate the original source code. Once the attacker has identified the assembly instructions that must be modified, the attacker does so using a hex editor such as Hexfind. Here, the attacker must only make two very small changes to the original binary in order to defeat the application's security control. These style of attacks are so easy that in 84% of cases in 2013, the initial compromise took hours or less to complete. So let's scan this app using AppScan Source for Analysis. You can see here that AppScan Source for Analysis does not identify any integrity risk related to the code. Arxan created a new rule set which can be added to AppScan Source for Analysis that allows AppScan Source for Analysis to identify an entirely new category of binary risk. Let's rescan the same code using the new rule set. Now you can see that AppScan Source for Analysis is able to identify 12 new types of integrity risk. Each of these particular issues can be mitigated using an Arxan guard. Guards can be leveraged in a number of different ways to defeat an adversary at various stages of a binary attack. First, guards can allow a mobile app to defend against compromise by obfuscating or scrambling the code, or encrypting the data and parts or all of the application. Next, guards can allow a mobile app to detect that it is being attacked or modified at runtime. Guards can check the environment in which your application is running to ensure that it is not running in a rooted or jailbroken device, or in the presence of a debugger. Lastly, guards can allow a mobile app to react to a binary attack in a number of different and sophisticated ways. Let's briefly explore Arxan's integration with IBM Worklight. Here you can see that Arxan inserts tiny guards into every Worklight application that protects the presentation layer as well as the native SDK libraries, and optionally, any custom native code provided by the developer. The integration is very straightforward, as no source code modifications are required to any Worklight application. All of the insertion process happens during the actual build and compile step of a Worklight app. When the developer builds and compiles, Arxan automatically hooks into that particular process and inserts its guards behind the scenes. The developer does not have to interact at all with Arxan during this process. Arxan brings a unique value to application security. Our multi-layered guard network offers the most robust protection, including both static and runtime guards. There are no changes to the source code, so you don't need to worry about training the thousands of source developers on our approach. We work on all major platforms, and our approach is patented and proven in the market, protecting applications running on over 300 million devices. Arxan is a validated IBM partner for its app hardening and tamper-proofing capabilities for the mobile enterprise. Customers can build secure apps and keep them secure with a proven and integrated set of tools.